And today we're going to be talking about the best resources for aspiring entrepreneurs. What are they? What are they? All right. Number one, jumping right into it. Number one, let's cue that up, bro. What's the first one we have here?
Number one, you can get this anywhere, guys. All right. You can get it online. Books. All right.
Books.
Number one resource for entrepreneurs, for aspiring entrepreneurs, for people looking to better their lives. Go get yourself a book. All right. I'm sure there's a library near you. I'm certain of it. So what types of books we have on the list though? Like specifics. Anything specific you got?
Yeah, man. So the Lean Startup by Eric Ries or Rise, however you want to say it. Rich Dad Poor Dad, Think and Grow Rich, the 4-Hour Work Week. The list is endless. There are tons of really, really beneficial books that are out here, right? A good thing to do is just search, filter for entrepreneur books and look at your best sellers, right? Just look at YouTube, right? Do a search on Google. What are the best entrepreneurship books, right? What happens is that some of the top business leaders, they put their thoughts in books, right? And sell them for cheap. Books that are worth millions of dollars, ideas that are worth millions of dollars, they put in $25, $30 books or less. All right. Number one resource. Gotta read.
All right. Number two, online courses and educational websites. Another easy, low-hanging fruit opportunity for you to get more information about how to further your entrepreneurship journey. Everybody has a course. Everybody has an educational website. YouTube is free. And there's tons of people on YouTube spilling the beans, letting you know how they got their start. You got any particular courses or websites that stand out?
Yeah, man. Coursera is one. So it's COURSEA, right? edX, that's ED, and then just the letter X. Another one is like LinkedIn Learning. Don't forget about any type of courses that, you know, some of like a good business people create for specifically for a business, right? And so someone may create a course or an ebook or something like that specifically for a business sector, right? A specific type of business. So check those out, definitely.
All right.
Great resources.
Next up, number three, networking, mentorship, and funding. All right. So leading the pack of this is networking, though. There's tons of conferences, communities. I don't want to shout out Facebook, but there's a Facebook group for everything. You've seen the commercials, right? There's a Facebook group for everything. All right. So whatever niche you're in, whatever your industry is, you know, whatever your passion is, there's a group of people out there that's already doing what you love to do. All right. And if you're not in that group, you need to go find the group and join them. All right. Get the information, find out what people are doing, find out any of the hurdles, obstacles that they're having. And it may be you that kind of leads the group, you know, over those hills, over those hurdles. All right. And mentors. Yeah, and the mentors, you will find them in that space. You may find them there. You may find your angel investor in that group. All right. So basically just get active, get in your community and get active.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. And then the last one is like funding, right? And don't forget, with funding, you have crowdfunding, you have sites like Kickstarter. It's a tons of sites. Just search Google for crowdfunding, right? Funding is critical to a business, but don't also forget that you can save up money yourself, or you can build up credit, and that's personal credit and business credit. All right. So funding is critical. That's another critical resources. Networking, critical. Mentorship, critical. Funding, critical. What's the last one, bro?
Last one, persistence and resilience. All right. It doesn't matter how many books you read, how many online courses you take. You can attend all these conferences. All right. But it's going to be up to you to persist, all right, and be resilient in order to keep in order to keep the thing going. All right. And the beautiful thing, though, is if you do the networking part, all right, and you surround yourself with like-minded individuals, you gain accountability partners. All right. That's going to help push you
Right.
forward in your journey. All right. So that's the last
Right.
one, persistence and resilience. You got anything on that one?
I would just say that that's actually the most important one. You're going to run into so many pitfalls, so many hurdles, so many walls that you're going to have to climb over, dig under, go around, or bust through.
Woo!
Right? But you got to keep going. You got to keep going. Persistence and resilience is maybe the most important resource, right? So build up your mentality, build up that discipline, build up that mental fortitude, all right, to realize success by any means possible. And that's it for this episode. Another good one. Make sure you subscribe, right? Dreamstream Strategy is coming so close that it's not even funny. We just got done doing some tight, tune up on it, little pieces on it, man. But just get ready, man. Like, share, subscribe. You know what it is. League of Hustlers. Get with us.